How to fix Pygame module not found in VS Code or Pygame. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you getting the module not found error or no module named Pygame on your VS Code or the Pygame while you are trying to run a program? In that case, here is the solution. For method 1, type in command prompt in the search bar and open the command prompt. Thereby, you have to install the Pygame. For that, type in pip, which is pip install Pygame, and hit the enter button. Wait for the installation to finish. Now once this is done, you can just close the command prompt, open the Visual Studio Code and try to run the code, and the issue is fixed. Likewise, the process is same for Pygame. For this, you have to go to the file in Pygame, click on settings, search for Python project by clicking on expand project, click on Python interpreter, check if you have Pygame in the list. If not, install Pygame, click plus button. Once you check for the Python version, what you have to do is note down it, go to the command palette on your VS Code, select or search for the select interpreter, click on Python select interpreter. Now click on the Python version that you noted in the previous step and you're good to go. Like for the Pygame, you have to go to command prompt and then search for Python's file or the Python's path. Then after, you have to paste it on expand project on the Python project. Click on add interpreter, add the local interpreter, system interpreter, and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.